Hey, it's Gina with WTI. One of my favorite things about summer is getting out on the water and being able to paddle around and enjoy nature and soak up every single ray of sunshine that there is. This SUP from Outraveler has been so much fun to use. I took it out on a local lake and my husband paddled it around on one of our rivers, and we love how stable it is. This is an 11-foot board and it is 32 inches wide, and that gives you a really solid base. The anti-slip board is so nice because that makes it easy to stand up in your bare feet and not have to worry about slipping around. My husband even used it with his water shoes and it was great. He didn't fall in the water or anything like that, but it also is comfortable to paddle around on your knees or in a sitting position. If you've never ridden an inflatable stand-up paddleboard before, don't worry. Once you inflate this to 15 psi, it will be just like standing on a wooden board. It's crazy how strong this is and how firm it is. The fin was extremely easy to install. It slips in super easily, and then you just attach the pin to keep it in place. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and my husband is 6 foot, 185 pounds. And this board, of course, was able to support us just fine, and it can support up to 330 pounds, which is amazing. This comes with everything that you need to have a great day out on the water. It comes with its own paddle, carrying bag, pump, and a repair kit. It's really everything that you need. I just love how much fun this board is to use on the water. It's been absolutely amazing, and that's our point of view.